While folding knives serve as fundamental utility instruments, certain specimens elevate far above standard carry gear, engineered for collectors seeking breathtaking artistry. Should you accumulate stunning blade specimens or gravitate toward unconventional knives guaranteed to captivate observers, this guide offers invaluable assistance. We highlight 20 remarkably distinctive folding knives, each deliberately overbuilt for delivering phenomenal performance.
Meet the Benchmade 430 Redout, a versatile folder with a CPM D2 steel blade that excels in cutting and edge retention. Its well-patterned handle provides a solid grip, making it suitable for both everyday carry and tactical missions. This knife combines smooth operation with durable construction, making it a reliable choice for any situation.
CMB-made knives produce many stylish knives over the years, but this CMB2G, also known as the Prowler, is something quite different from others. This artistically designed knife is functional, coming in at an overall length of 8.46 inches with a 3.74-inch M390 blade. The blade features a sleek wire drawing finish, giving it that sharp, refined look we all love. The handle is made from durable 6Al4V titanium with a gray finish, ensuring it feels sturdy yet comfortable in hand. Weighing just 4.02 ounces or 119.6 grams, it's lightweight enough for everyday carry without sacrificing strength. The frame lock mechanism adds an extra layer of security, while the copper ceramic ball bearings ensure smooth, effortless opening and closing action. With a blade hardness of 59 to 60 HRC, you can bet this knife will hold its edge well. The titanium pocket clip adds convenience, making it a reliable EDC tool for both right and left-hand users. Whether you're looking for a practical tool or just a fidget-worthy piece, the Prowler CMB2G checks all the boxes. If you're into fancy knives, you must have seen those sick gravity knife reels and totally wanted to have one, right? So here's the Reate EXO. This beauty features a 3.75-inch blade made from Elmax steel with a striking two-tone finish combining black and satin for a sleek modern look. The handle is something we'd call exotic, with black titanium and black micarta inlays. This handle not only portrays an impressive look, but gives you proper grip as well. What sets this knife apart is its gravity-operated mechanism. To use it, pinch the mild handle scales, angle the frame, and let gravity do the work, sliding the blade in and out effortlessly. This feature, combined with the reversible safety switch, means you can enjoy hours of fidgeting safely. The tip-down pocket clip allows for ambidextrous carry, making it a versatile EDC option. This knife boasts spotless fit and finish, smooth action, and a razor-sharp edge, fulfilling all your cutting necessities. Plus, it comes with a leather belt sheath for additional convenience. This knife is all about premium materials, superior functionality, and stylish outlook, making it an aesthetic addition to any knife collection. Let's move on to the AKC Campellin Classic series, specifically the 13-inch Batwing switchblade. This knife is a standout with its polished bayonet-style stainless steel blade, nickel-silver shield, firing button, and solid nickel-silver bolsters. Measuring 13 inches overall with a 6-inch blade that's 0.2 inches thick, it has a substantial feel, weighing in at 350 grams. This piece is a true reflection of over 70 years of knife-making tradition. The Campellin mixes old-world craftsmanship with modern standards, as seen in their classic line stilettos, featuring 1.2mm brass liners, 4mm carbon steel springs, and 440A polished blades. For collectors, the Malta and Frosoloni models offer unique designs and superior build quality, while the Sicilian and flat-guard picklock knives capture the essence of vintage Italian stilettos. Each knife is a testament to artistic craftsmanship and tradition, making them prized pieces in any collection. Following that, now let's take a look at the WE Knife Solid Flipper, a stunning creation by the collaboration of WE and GTC Knives. This knife, which made waves at the Blade Show in 2023, is truly something special. The overall length is 8.97 inches with a 3.88-inch blade made from premium CPM 20 CV steel. The blade's compound grind and modified spear point design give it an impressive look and exceptional functionality. The handle is crafted from a single piece of polished bead-blasted 6Al4V titanium, providing a solid and sleek feel. One of the coolest features is the spring-loaded tab flipper, which makes the flipper tab disappear once deployed, offering a clean and unique action. The knife also boasts a frame lock mechanism, ensuring the blade stays secure during use. Weighing in at 5.92 ounces, it's robust yet manageable. The non-reversible pocket clip is also made of titanium, adding to its high-end appeal. Available in 5 different finishes, including blacked out and etched versions, each knife is unique due to the etching process. This knife isn't just about looks, it's designed for performance and reliability, making it a standout in any collection. Let's get into the PMP Alpha Beast. This knife is a real pocket sword, boasting an overall length of about 9.2 inches with a formidable 4-inch blade made from MagnaCut steel. The blade is around 0.4 inches thick and has a rugged stone-washed finish, making it as tough as it looks. The handle is crafted from solid titanium, providing a robust yet comfortable grip. Weighing in at a hefty 16.61 ounces, the frame lock ensures the blade stays securely in place, and the right-hand tip-up pocket clip makes it convenient for everyday carry. Made in Italy, this knife combines impeccable craftsmanship with top-tier materials, making it a worthy addition to any serious collection. Whether you're using it for heavy-duty tasks or just want a reliable companion, the PMP Alpha Beast is designed to impress. Onward to the 3rd edition of the status knife Waka, crafted by the talented knifesmith Edison Barajas of Sharknivko. He's known for his full handmade quality, and this knife is a prime example of craftsmanship and passion. The Waka features an 84mm blade made from premium RWL34 steel with a hardness of 60 to 61 HRC for corrosion resistance and superior edge retention. The titanium handle ensures a lightweight yet sturdy grip, bringing the total weight to just 108 grams. This custom knife boasts better ergonomics and mechanics from its hand-finished construction and bearing-based axial unit, ensuring smooth operation. With the total length of 200 mm and a blade thickness of 3 mm, this knife is both practical and visually stunning, embodying Edison's commitment to quality and his deep-seated love for marine-inspired designs. Next is the Spyderco Yojumbo, an enlarged version of the popular Yojimbo 2 designed by Michael Janich. This knife features a 4-inch CPM/S30V Wharncliffe blade that excels in self-defense and utility tasks. The textured black G10 handle ensures a solid grip, while Spyderco's compression lock system provides reliable blade security. The 4-position pocket clip allows for versatile carry options, making it a top choice for those who need a robust and versatile EDC knife. The Greyman S2 is a bulky yet ergonomic folder with dual thumb studs and a notched thumb rest for a secure grip. Its G10 handle is designed for comfort and stability, making it perfect for tactical situations. This knife is a robust tool built to handle tough tasks with ease.
The Medford Raider SMF is a custom-made marvel with a black oxide-finished CPM 20CV steel blade. Its lightweight titanium and anodized aluminum handle ensure comfortable handling, making it ideal for tough jobs. This knife combines striking looks with formidable performance, making it a standout piece in any collection. Prepare to be impressed by the cold steel Acagai XL, a massive folding knife that performs like a machete. With a 7.5-inch AUS 10A stainless steel blade and a sturdy G10 handle, this knife is both elegant and formidable. Its thumb disc opener and triad lock make it a reliable tool for heavy-duty tasks, and it's a must-have for any serious knife collector.
Moving on to the Maxey Sandstorm V2, this knife is a standout for its rugged design and top-notch materials. Featuring a Bowler K110 steel blade and a G10 handle, it's built to withstand tough tasks. Known for their butterfly knives, Maxey's has created a folding knife that combines unique design with practicality. This heavy-duty folder is perfect for those who need a reliable tool for strenuous jobs. Inspired by Lynn Thompson's love of Filipino martial arts, the Cold Steel Large Lazison is a sleek, practical folder designed by Mike Wallace. Sporting a 6-inch blade of 8CR13 MOV steel with a satin finish, it's perfect for cutting and slashing. The bamboo-inspired GFN handle offers durability and a comfortable grip. With features like a prominent flipper tab for easy deployment, a leaf spring lock, and a secondary safety mechanism, this knife is both functional and reliable. It's an excellent everyday carry option at an affordable price.
The Hinderer Eclipse is a tactical powerhouse with a CNC flat-ground S35VN blade. Available in G10 or steel handle options, this knife provides a solid grip for demanding tasks. The titanium pocket clip ensures a low profile, making it an excellent choice for tactical missions and everyday carry. Meet the Demco MG AD20, a robust flipper designed for survival. Available with CPM 20CV or CPM 3V blades, this knife offers top-notch performance and durability. The patterned grip provides excellent stability, while the patented shark lock mechanism ensures dependability. It's a versatile tool that's perfect for any outdoor adventure. The Artisan Cutlery Proponent is a budget-friendly folder with a distinctive blade design. Its matte black PVD-coated D2 blade offers excellent piercing power, and the G10 handle provides a solid grip. This knife also features a ceramic ball-bearing pivot for smooth operation and a secondary lock pin for added security. Emerson Commander is a versatile tactical knife ideal for everything from camping to combat. Featuring a recurve blade with Emerson's patented wave feature for rapid deployment, this knife is built for serious use. Its black G10 handles and titanium lock provide durability and a secure grip, making it a reliable choice for any challenging task. The Medford Knife en Belay is a premium customizable folder with a matte black PVD or tumbled finish. Its S35VN blade offers superior cutting performance and edge retention. With various customization options and a sturdy build, this knife is perfect for those looking to express their personality while maintaining top-notch functionality. The Zero Tolerance Sinkwich 0452CF is a sleek, high-performance flipper designed by Dmitry Sinkovich. With a 4.1-inch CPM S35VN blade and a carbon fiber handle over a titanium frame, this knife combines elegance with durability. The KVT ball-bearing system ensures quick and smooth deployment, making it a top pick for those who value precision and reliability in their EDC gear. Hogs X5 Flipper, designed by Alan Elishewitz, offers cutting-edge deployment technology that mimics automatic opening speed in a manual knife. The 4-inch CPM 154 spearpoint blade with a black Cerakote finish provides a sharp and durable edge. Its 6061 T6 aluminum handle with G-Mask inserts ensures a secure grip. The reversible pocket clip and sliding safety make it a versatile and safe EDC option. So that was our list of 20 unique folding knives that were overbuilt for outrageous performance.